the best place ever.
Hang on. There you go. What's this guy's initials again? I always get it wrong. RWV or RW. This, yeah, the Asian dude that glues the cars together. This is an original right here. How cool is that? All right, so really funny. Lamborghini. The doors are supposed to open like this because the new Lamborghinis don't have Lamborghini doors, but the guy wanted Lamborghini doors for his Lamborghini. So they put a Lamborghini door kit on a Lamborghini. So you got and they go up. Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Vegas. This is the 2025 Sema, and we are here with Rockford Fosgate. So we haven't done a travel vlog in a really long time. I'm super excited to try to do one again. I say try because I don't know how this is gonna work out. Most of the time what happens now is we get so busy, there's so much going on, I forget to turn this thing on and record. This trip, I was like, I'm gonna do this because I wanna take you guys behind the scenes and kind of show you what it's like for us. It's a lot of fun, and hopefully you'll see that if I remember to turn this thing on and take you guys out. We're in the room. They put us up at the Virgin, which is where they like to stay. It's actually a really nice room, so I thought the best way to start this out is kind of show you the room. They spring for 2 rooms, so Fernando has his own room down on the 7th floor. I'm up on the 11th floor, and no, the joke did not get past me, 7-Eleven. This is what typically the room looks like when we're by ourselves, meaning I have my own room, he has his own room, is that I sleep next to the window. We got a cool little couch thing here and a table. First things first is whatever they have for a counter immediately gets turned into a layout area for like glasses and bracelets and chargers and snack bars. And then the second bed is kind of the catch-all for all the equipment. So this is our camera bag. I lay out my clothes. Dirties get packed into the suitcase as I use them, just so it saves me time when I go to leave. This is a cold trip, so I actually brought 2 different jackets. They have beautiful closets, so we hang up our shirts. They supplied us with these. Oh, these shirts are so nice this year. Oh, they're nice. Bathrooms here, cool. Nice big shower with a, yeah. Next up is to meet Eric and Fernando and John and Mark and Luke and Laura and Brian's and Chris's. And Joey. We're gonna meet everybody downstairs. Oh, you realize it's 46 outside right now.
Yeah, but we're gonna be inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't do well in the cold.
I know. It's gonna be a wonderful day.
realized this morning that I don't think I gave you a walk around of the Jeep that we're living in. So tell me, Fernando, what have you been demoing in the Jeep today?
We've been demoing the new 2024 kit, Stage 3. From Rockford Fosgate.
What are the high points of it?
One of the high points is the subwoofer box. Come on in, look at that. So this is a brand new subwoofer tailgate. It's the mount. How you mount the subwoofer box is totally different than the normal. This is really cool, factory look. 2 screws on the bottom, flies up. It's so cool. The Stage 3 only comes with the 2 1-inch tweeters on the top, the 6.5s on the factory location, and the subwoofer. This is kind of like we call like a front stage upgrade, kind of.
Yeah.
Same thing, 2 amplifiers on the driver's side, and everything is DSP by the DSR1. It's fantastic for sure, yeah.
Need a demo?
Yeah.
Demo time. Last day. Here we go. Welcome, morning, guys, and welcome to the show, Fernando.
Welcome to the show, guys.
No, you guys got it, man.
Thank you so much, bro.
Appreciate you guys, man.
Thank you,
Five-star
man.
audio. You know where it's at. Follow these guys. They're going to hold it down for you.
One of the things that I wanted to see while I was here that I didn't get to see last year and was hoping was here this year is here this year. As I've talked about on the show before, I'm a big fan of classic RC cars. They're classic just because I'm old, but this is an RC10 life-size replica that Team Associated made. There again, it's the little things in life. This makes me super happy. It really does, because this thing is just so cool. I mean, how cool is that?
Front face in there. Oh yeah.
Vegas.
What do you think, Dave?
I don't know, man. I'm really thinking hard.
John? What are we doing here?
What are we doing? Where are we at? Well, hey, Sema 2024. We're here at the, where the hell are we? Kitchen.
What do you think, Fernando? These guys are going wild.
Yeah.
You too. Look at that.
I think